Hi guys! Have you noticed that not so fresh taste of chicken after the day it's cooked? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that and give you the softest, cleanest tasting chicken. There's so many ways to use this chicken, from salads, pasta, tacos, sandwiches, and adding to any dish for a quick protein. It's so fast and easy to make and perfect for meal prep. All you need are chicken breasts, boneless and skinless. I've washed them and I'll put them in my Instant Pot Mini. I'm using 5 chicken breasts. Pour in water just to cover the chicken. Squeeze in the juice of half a large lemon. Press pressure cook and set the time to 10 minutes. The unit will take about 10 to 15 minutes to come up to pressure. The time depends on the quantity in the cooker. My cooker is almost to the max fill line, so it'll take a good 15 minutes. I have cooked just 2 breasts and that takes about 10 minutes. The float valve has come up all the way, and that means the unit has come up to full pressure. Then the timer counts down from 10. Hear those beeps and time is up. Now, you can use natural release, meaning you wait for the float valve to drop. That'll take about 10 minutes. If I'm in a rush, I'll use quick release, meaning just move the handle to venting and steam comes shooting out. Make sure to use gloves or the handle of a long spoon when using quick release so you don't get hit with steam. The float valve has dropped down, move the handle to venting, and there's no steam. Open the lid and here is our cooked chicken. This liquid, by the way, is delicious broth that you can use later to make rice, in soups, stews, etc. Remove the chicken to a bowl. It shreds very easily, or you can cut it into pieces depending on what the recipe calls for. Only shred or cut what you need at one time. Take the remaining chicken breasts and leave it whole. Put it in a container, pour the liquid just to cover the chicken. Cool it, cover, and put it in the fridge for later use. I would store it for a maximum of 4 days, although this chicken goes pretty quickly in my house. Next time you cut the chicken, you'll find that it tastes clean with no weird smell or aftertaste. It really does taste just as fresh as the day you cooked it. My daughter loves these chicken sandwiches to take to school for lunch. For lunch prep, you can shred the amount of chicken you need, mix it with homemade dressing, and refrigerate it for about 4 days. A quick lunch for me is greens, any type of lettuce, the shredded chicken, and tomatoes. My garden is overflowing with tomatoes, and they're so good eaten fresh like this when we can. By the way, if you want to grow it, this tomato is called Brandywine, an heirloom variety, and for me, the best tasting tomato. Sweet, acidic, a very deep, rich tomato flavor. One of the best for fresh eating. Each morning, I'll toast the bread, put the chicken salad on, sliced garden tomatoes, fresh torn basil, and it's a perfect sandwich for lunch. She's happy, she's full, and she doesn't have to worry about the not so great choices at school lunch. Cook chicken this way and it'll make your meal prep a lot easier. Let me know how you like it and subscribe for more easy recipes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.